Hi everybody, welcome to week 8 of Animation Capstone. That's correct. So we finally made it to this point. We've done the beginning, we've done the end, now it's time to go after the middle, and that's really what's important. So we're really the beef of everything. It's what the things that connect from those awesome beginnings to those incredible endings with those new techniques that you're throwing in. This is the meat of the project. This is where the middle is. This is what's going to keep the audience entertained over time. And that's really what we're going to be focusing on this week. So just give you all some heads up. Initial post due for your discussion on Tuesday. We also have live lecture as always, 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Central Tuesday. Those links are posted along with the announcement and along with the rubrics, but let's get into it. So what we have this week, we're going to go into the middle. We're going to talk about the parts of the middle, what's important, and how to really keep a viewer's attention over that long period of time, and showing what a breakdown is, what's the important parts of a breakdown, and what you need to include in that to really have it, and how that can really be helpful and successful for you. Other than that, we're going to talk about the major core work and the major parts of the middle. The core work, we're going to show multiple examples of different techniques, showing solid transitions, different stages of the production stages, and breakdowns, and going into details about that. But there's some benefits of detailing the middle, and that's what's really important with this. This showcases your work in different stages by really massively detailing the middle out. It helps show off the processes that you can build up and showcase how you create things that may match other companies in their processes. It showcases your consistency and also helps to showcase the volume of work as well that you've done and to showcase all the different elements that you have. Not only that, it allows for you to not just be really considered as a one-trick pony. You can really slide in other techniques as you focus on one major technique. And this helps keep the viewer's attention over time. And we'll go into each one of these elements in lecture in detail as we can and really break out the middle and make it so much further and really make it entertaining and engaging. That's really the biggest aspects about that. But other than that, that's all I got, my friends. Do keep in mind you have your assignments. Take a look at the announcements, everything in your calendar for any due dates. But that's all I got. Hope to see everybody for lecture on Tuesday. Other than that, be safe, have fun, enjoy, take it easy, and welcome to week 8. All right, have a good one. Bye.